It's the end of the year, and yes, the Christmas period, yes, the house decoration, yes, the panettone, but let's face it, if you are a stationery, journal and planner freak like I am, there's no greater pleasure than opening and setting up a brand new planner for the new year. Oh, the bliss of it all. I'm going to set up my new Leuchtturm 2024 planner, and I'll give you 3 simple tips to unlock the full potential of your diary and make it work for your productivity and organization in your everyday life. Hi everyone, this is Carlo and welcome back to my channel. First tip I'm gonna give you is do a migration. Usually at the start of your planner you have a calendar page of the year that has just finished. Here is the 2023. A useful thing to do is to migrate all the important dates, data and events of the year that has just finished onto this page. For example, when did you go on holiday? When did you start that new job? When did that particular event happen that you will need to recall in the near future? Also, if you're a grown-up and for tax reason you will need to retrieve the dates that you made that purchase, the day that you took that Uber, and so on. Write all these dates down on this page. This way, during the new year, you will always have with you the previous year at a glance, every time you need to check something, so you don't have to dig out the previous year's planner and waste precious minutes of your time. Second tip of today is use the useless pages. We tend not to care or use at all the first and the last pages of your planner, which can be instead very helpful if we know how to make them work for us. For example, the pages of the international holidays. If you're a content creator and you want to think forward to plan your content during the year, these pages can give you a lot of ideas. Maybe you want to create and upload a journal spread about Chinese New Year, or create a collage to celebrate Diwali, or make a video about Italian traditions for Easter, Agolo, Mercasariello, ste cose qua. You can circle on these pages these particular dates and start planning your content calendar way in advance, and you will be super organized. Another page frequently overlooked is the project plan, or sometimes we have a repetition of the year calendar with a monthly view. Those pages can be used to track our progress on particular goals or projects that we have. For example, in the new year I want to create more art, upload more videos on YouTube, go to the gym and to yoga more often. And also I want to stop biting my nails, because my hands look horrible and I need to step out. Write your activities to track month by month, and every day add a colored dot if you make any progress. This will definitely help you to track how it's going and stay motivated. The last pages of our planners are usually blank pages for notes, and we tend to scribble on them, rip them when we need a piece of paper on the go, and they tend to look really messy and neglected. We don't want that. These pages are great for goal mapping and vision boards. Goal mapping is something that I like to do at the beginning of every year, because it puts me in a good mood and it helps me put the confusion that I have in my head down on paper. You basically write the goals that you want to achieve in the new year, and you kind of deconstruct them into smaller goals that are easier to achieve. And then you break them down into little actionable steps that you can start right now. You can also start from one goal and connect it to all the possible ways and tools you can use to achieve it. This is very good to find and keep clarity about your projects and your paths in life. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals. You can collect images and text and make a collage that helps you visualize and manifest what you want to achieve in the new year. Visualization is a recognized, effective mental practice, and having a vision board in your planner always at hand will help you increase motivation and confidence. So yes, put those blank pages at the end of your planner to good use for your life goals. Tip number 3 is color it up. When you plan your days, use a precise color coding for different activities. I chose 5 different colors of highlighters and markers to associate to 5 types of activities that I normally write down on my planner. And I will use purple for my part-time job, light blue for my painting and art, a peach color for when I work on my YouTube channel, green for social life, leisure and relax, and grey for house chores and errands that I have to run. When you start blocking your day with different colors, you will have a better visual grasp of how you are managing your time. Also, incorporate plenty of post-it notes, sticky notes, and color tabs into your weekly spread. You can write your shopping list on them, ideas for your content creation, you can journal on them. The choice is yours. I'm a huge advocate of incorporating color into your planner and using colored visual cues, not only for aesthetic reasons, but also because it does make us feel better, instead of having just a boring planner where we write with black ink on white paper. These were my 3 tips to optimize your planner. What are yours? Feel free to let me know in the comments the tips and tricks that you like to use. As always, if you like this video, feel free to like, share, subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in the new year with more videos. Take care and see you soon.